kuselo ikwamin koteso nesetoto lunu neda kwa neje ikina pakina akamu polo alanya pakiono etepiedo Simon Judo Jelel lodere president lo Rotary Club Soroti Central nesabala ebe pelekindos kesi ya ganga pugan kotoma woro lo itunga halo marakrono Aira Ikito
Geote program le polo lo Aira Ikito to Teso kere ikota anyun bonbe irari kitolwe deparati lukomin toma paka na uriana so jailo lo Soroti University dawa Aira Ikito Ikito Father Hilda's Primary School Madra Girls Primary School anubera geuna konye ikapakina aitolote program lo tomo somero ipo
tunga kesitoron tai kanwa broki na ijepio na Ikito kanwa ichwe ya totol kaichia ichwe ya matapalun Robert Otima ya itonele mtoloka Habitat for Humanity koraida Rotarian ilo muntiko sonde kalaije ko ibuga Kampala nesabala ebe Aira Ikito nesiboni ya kinete na Teso ko wailo ya jula kino na itepelo idowon
karu ukawangina Allah Teso ade barabana iri moko pane jo itebo jo kaukane mani tikito narai ilo mikoni ki ejieke de Ikito ilo mikoni ki ajipa na Ikito echwe ya matapalun ilo mikoni ki achwe amisirin abois na arrek atre epedoroni ki jaikine ajara na Ikito nyekise around enemies nyekise around la surep kedenyo iboro lije Ikito la suban engara kinoni
eloskin to Ainapeta no anyune be irayo Ikito to mosomero lo gelegela neda kopikwana down Aira Soroti University Madera Girls Father Hilda's Ido eponyo aitolo to mosomero ndaichie kaneo Teso Patrick Hebwa periodilo Ikito kotomoriongo lo Climate Hub International nesabala ebe ijaikisi kesi Teso Ikito lukumini tomon luichera asi luinyamio so di chera ilo joka kanwa kiranwa bawoi.
These trees we are looking onto mainly indigenous trees and beneficial trees and even fruit trees as well, because these are trees that are actually helping our health mainly. We have invested a lot in these trees because every tree we get out cultivate almost each and every tree is over 10,000 or 15,000. So we are spending over millions and millions of shillings onto these trees.
Shabela Godo na adera pesena Teso kojaituma Rotary Saturday Jazz nesiarai na isupu ni yongetalu ageona Aira Ikito ne Teso.
I have an NGO called Green Teso Initiative, and recently I joined Rotary Club of Saturday Jazz, and so fortunately everyone was in sync with the idea, and since I already had the passion for it, they gave me the opportunity to lead it, and I couldn't be happier. So we decided to launch it in Soroti.
Ainapeta no Aira Ikito ebune kusia ijula kino sode atekera emeda unu kotomotepelo idon narebuna kichekoru ajokunar Godfrey Ojore TV East Soroti.